Hello guys, dumating na ang bago kong phone. Vivo. Okay. Pandagdag lang ito guys. Okay. Siyempre, favorite ko pa rin itong Oppo Reno ko. So, wow! Wow! God! Wow! Laki! So big! Wala siyang ano. Dapat may pang-protect. Wow! Wow! I really love it. So this is Vivo Y19S. Vivo Y19S. Is it latest? Kailan kaya ito na-release? Wow! At meron siyang free charger. Free charger siya. What's this? Okay. And then, free headset. Earphone. Wow! I love it. Free earphone. Okay. Mas prefer ko yung ganito kaysa yung wireless. Kasi pag wireless, mahirap. Oo. So, i-open na natin guys ang bago nating phone. Open na natin. Maganda kaya ito. Maganda kaya ang camera niya. Viva. Woo! Dalawa na ang phone ko guys. Habang busy. Ayan. Siyempre, merong... What's this one? What's the function of this one? Is it ano? What's this one? What's the function of this? Oh! Yes. The time is 11. So, I'll be setting this up. Okay? I have to set this up, guys. Wala na. Oh my... Yung susi. Susi na yun. Oh. Okay, tingnan natin ang camera. Sorry. Camera. Let me see. Oh, the camera is, yeah, it's nice. I love the camera, huh? Grapefruit. Okay. Then, how about this one? The breeze. Yeah, it's okay. Yung camera niya, oh. Okay ba? Is it okay? Okay. Malinaw siya. Tingnan natin. Ooh! What's this? What's this? May ibang mga function siya, guys. So, gusto ko ma-experience yung bagong ano, guys. Bagong... What's this, guys? Let me know. No. Oh, wait lang. We gotta set this up. Shut. Bakit? Agree muna tayo. Agree. Again.
May provision sa ICC rules o sa interim release ng isang nasasakdal pero depende ito sa mga kondisyon at konsiderasyon.
Okay. Bye guys. Bye.